Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a GM certified 2018 Chevy Equinox LT, stock number X863XX. 21,000 miles and there's one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Mosaic black metallic in color. To be GM certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 6-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 12-month, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and 2 years or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. Seats 5, cloth interior, lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. The Equinox is a very safe vehicle. 5-star front and side government crash rating with backup camera, along with rear parking sensors. Power liftgate for convenience. Lots of cargo space in the rear. Seats will also fold with the pull of a handle, giving you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, height adjustable power liftgate, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving start. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. It's Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatible. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Dual-zone automatic temperature control, along with heated front seats. USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect mobile media devices. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage in the armrest. And a spacious glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Door opener overhead. Under the hood, this Equinox has a 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 170 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 26 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 32 on the highway, and approximately 40% of the tire tread left. Don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.